In today's Mighty Machines video, we will look at the 9 state-of-the-art trucks and trailers you shouldn't miss. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. First on the list is the LANGENDORF INNENLADER SB19, which is an end loader used to transport prefabricated elements. This is also very unique to similar machines since the SB19 no longer needs any aids like crane or lift truck whenever loading or unloading. A number of its features have also been enhanced. One example are its more robust door retainers, which increases the overall safety during loading and unloading, especially at uneven terrain in strong winds. They have also redesigned all side storages of this machine so that they are now more protected against the ingress of spray water. Its maintenance openings are also now in the shaft inside so that more comfortable access is given to the slack adjusters, making the whole maintenance even easier and faster. On top of that, the worktop on the 2 long girders, also called girder grate, now works with the GRP, which makes it less sensitive to soiling and thus significantly increases the safety of the driver. With all these features, the flatliner can load and unload prefabricated elements with the height of up to 3.7 millimeters in a safe, independent, and efficient way. Ever since 1984, KNAPEN trailers have created excellent custom-built moving floor trailers. They make sure that all their units are robot welded on solar power so that technical risks are eliminated. Currently, they have been releasing their tested and improved trailers. These trailers are surely capable of meeting the customer's needs since they now have a hydraulic tailgate with integrated lighting, aluminum chassis, and a lift axle. More functionalities are also brought by its VSC steering assistant system, ensuring that this is really worth its price. The SCHRÖDER FAHRZEUGTECHNIK is a company that focuses on the production of high-quality bodies, semi-trailers, and trailers. Their units are surely the best of the best since they make sure that each of them meet the highest individual requirements. They also have tailor-made solutions to best fit your needs. Their well-thought-out concepts, tailor-made solutions, and high-quality product have now led to the manufacturing of this semi-trailer. This is a roll crane semi-trailer that combines a wide range of advantages in just one body. Indeed, this machine has now made lifting and towing vehicles easier and smoother. What a beauty! Speaking of towing, the HAMMAR low bed trailer has been one of the many that helped in this field. Aside from towing and handling wreckages, it can also be of help in handling high loads like open-top containers, flat racks, special transports, and a whole lot more. This does all of these by quickly picking up larger damaged vehicles thanks to its sliding cranes and non-telescopic chassis. With the help of the same components, the Hammer low bed trailer can also withstand heavier loads. How cool is that? If you want to meet efficiency and beauty all at once, you should definitely consider the walking floor trailer from LEGRAS Industries. They have fully understood that modern times have come with more complex and newer needs, so they have made a way of using the latest innovations in this trailer. It now has hydraulic clean sweep, automatic covers, and hydraulic flip-flop nets. Since they can't just leave the functional design behind, they have also added front access doors, work lights, off-road axles, and side windows. If what you're looking for is a solution available anytime and anywhere, then you might have to look at the C2 mobile unloading and palletizing trailers from COPAL Handling Systems. The design of this machine is meant to make your operations easier, as it can be deployed anywhere without needing to wait for hours and hours. This is also good if you're dealing with jute bags, since it has spider grippers with it too. Whether it's indoors or outdoors, they've got you covered. The ABS trailers have committed their entire career in designing, building, and delivering live bottom trailers that go beyond the standards. They are known for really pushing safety under strict quality control at every stage of the manufacturing process. Their latest line of trailers work with an I-beam. This increases the overall strength of the trailer up to 30, even when it is significantly lighter. It also increases the trailer's unloading speed without sacrificing its maximum functionality. Aside from that, this also uses an improved scrapper mechanism, which can be found under its conveyor drive shaft. The purpose of adding this is to reduce the number of particles that can remain stuck on the rubber belt, hence making the operator's job easier and smoother. The World Power ERKIN is the producer of the world's most powerful knuckle boom crane. They have done this by producing the ER450,000, a machine with a capacity of 150 tons. This is a machine that can fold into a smaller size easier, but can also extend further so that loads at a greater distance can be reached. Its design also does not change nor damage how it works, but instead maximizes workload with safety and efficiency. Through this and using their LMI system and stability sensors, World Power ERKIN has produced safer cranes, award-winning design knuckle boom cranes. They also never stopped improving their units with the help of their research and development team composed of many experts. Now they are able to produce machines fitting the European standards and exporting them all over the world. Finally, we have the PIPEMASTER pipe unloader from HAWKEYE PEDERSHAAB. This is a type of concrete pipeline loader made to make a truck driver's life at ease. Aside from it being a safer, efficient, and dependable way of unloading concrete pipe, this also has a smooth hydraulic action that actually eliminates pipe breakage. This also brings its speed level to another level, since this guarantees unloading as fast as rolling off the truck. It also requires no external power source and is designed for trouble-free pipe unloading. In simpler terms, using this machine promises you a greater number of hauls per day, which does not only increase productivity but also brings profit to a higher notch. We've already come to the last item on the list. That's all for the 9 state-of-the-art trucks and trailers you shouldn't miss. Did you enjoy watching? If so, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. We would also be glad to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Till next time, thank you for watching.